Hey guys, welcome to another Two Pets Tech video. In this video I'm going to discuss the reasons why I gave up the Fuji Instax Mini Liplay and replaced it with this guy, which is the Fuji Instax Mini Link. And so I'll give you my 5 reasons why I think getting the Mini Link was a good deal for me, and let's get to it. So the first reason that I chose the Mini Link instead of the Liplay is because, unlike the Liplay, the Mini Link can actually be paired with multiple phones and multiple devices. So one issue that I had with the Liplay was that you could only pair it to one phone at a time, which is fine if you only have the one phone, but if you say want to have someone else print to the printer as well, then you'll have to unpair your phone and have them pair their phone with the app and with the device. So with the Liplay, that was very cumbersome, but with the Link, all you have to do is just add it as another device and install the app, and there you go. Number 2, why I think the Mini Liplay is not as good as the Link is that their apps are quite different, and the Link app actually has quite a bit more functionality. So let's just try and print something. So on the Link app, you've got a lot more functionality. You can add a filter. I mean, there's only 4 filters there, but you can add a filter, unlike the Liplay where you really just can only print. So it's expecting you, if you're going to use it in print mode, to actually have done all your edits outside of the app. Whereas on the on the Link, you could add a filter, you could set to black and white, there's even an auto setting, but you could also toggle things like brightness, contrast, and saturation, which you simply can't do on the Liplay app. So let's just have a quick look at the Liplay app. Now I don't have the Liplay anymore, so it's not going to be linked to the Liplay, but I mean, there's very basic functionality. You can add that sound to an image, which is the Liplay's gimmick, which I never used. You could use the app to remotely control the Liplay. You could set shortcuts for the frames that you want to use. And if you just simply want to use it as a printer, it's a lot more basic. So let's just pretend like we're going to print that. And that's really all you have. I mean, the only thing you could do is rotate it, possibly resize it, but there's no image editing possibilities at all. You can't even add a frame. So that's the second reason why I chose the Link instead of the Liplay. So currently in Australia, if you just look at the retail price, the Mini Liplay goes for about $220, whereas the Mini Link only goes for $170. So that's a $50 difference, which means you could spend that money on film instead. So that equates to approximately about 50 exposures that you could. Is that because the Link doesn't actually have to do anything except pair to a phone and print, it doesn't need a screen, which means that it has, anecdotally for me anyway, better battery life. I found that in the official specifications, both the Link and the Liplay is said to be able to print 100 exposures per charge. Now, what I find is that with the Liplay, even if you're using it in printer mode, the screen's actually on the whole time. So I think overall, if you're really just going to use the Liplay as a printer, then it's going to have less battery life than the Mini Link. And reason number 5 for choosing the Link instead of the Mini Liplay is that, again, because the Link's just a printer as opposed to needing to have guts for a camera and space for the LCD screen to frame your images, the Link can just be physically smaller. And here you can see it compared to the SP2, which is the other Instax Mini printer that I have. And they're quite comparable in size. Alright guys, well that was my 5 reasons why I chose the Link over the Mini Liplay. Let me know in the comments below if you have either of these devices or if you have both. And let me know what you think. I really like the Mini Link. I especially like its ability to pair by Bluetooth. I definitely find that it pairs a lot easier and faster than this Instax SP2, which pairs by Wi-Fi only. And stay tuned to this channel if you want to learn more about the differences between the Mini Link and the SP2. I'm currently doing some test prints comparing the print quality between these two. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.